Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena, my daughter is Shivaya, and today we're going to make a vegetable stir-fry. There are times that your body screams for these veggies and you need to be intuitive and feed yourself some nourishment, and that's what we needed today. We needed a good dosage of nutrients, of fresh veggies. So this is a quick and easy stir fry and I will go through the method now. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop down description below. First, I got my wok ready and I added a tablespoon of oil. You can add some olive oil. Today I've added a heaped teaspoon of coconut oil, and as soon as your pan starts to warm up, I'm also going to add a teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic. You can add green chilies as well. It's optional if you want a little bit of heat, or even some dried red chilies. And next I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, followed by my first veg. Today I'm using Brussel sprouts. If you prefer cutting them in halves, you can go ahead and do so. We prefer whole Brussels sprouts, and that's the way I'm adding it today. Give everything a quick toss in that oil, your turmeric and ginger and garlic. And we'll give it just a few minutes and then add our next vegetable, and today I'm adding some broccoli. I'm now putting in my broccoli. I'm adding it with the stems. There's so much of nutrients in those broccoli stems. Give it a quick toss again. Next, I've taken 2 large carrots and I've diced it up. I'm adding that to the Brussels sprouts and the broccoli. My carrots are cut quite thinly, so they will take the same amount of time as the broccoli to get ready. All in all, we want everything to be ready at the same time. We will still want to maintain a bit of crispness. So I'm almost ready to close the lid and let it cook further. But before we do so, I'm going to add a dash of boiling water and some seasoning. So add your salt and pepper. And once you're done, close the lid and let it steam for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. It is a bit of a quick steam. We don't want it to be soggy. We still want that crispness. So I keep checking on it after about 5 to 10 minutes and just give it a quick toss. And while that's steaming further, I'm going to move on to my accompaniment. Today I'm using a cauliflower and spinach spaghetti. So instead of boiling it in water, it is already cooked. It just needs to be pan fried slightly. I'm doing that now, and I will just add some seasoning, some salt and some pepper. You can add a dash of olive oil if you wish, and then toss it in your pan. And you can either serve it on the side with your veggies, or you can add it to your wok. Coming back to the veg, it looks beautiful. I'm going to add one more vegetable, and today that's sliced mushrooms. I don't want to overcook the mushrooms, so therefore I'm adding it last. And once you've added the mushrooms, give it a good toss. It only needs a few minutes. And then you can add any sauce that you like. If you want a bit of sriracha, you can add it, a tiny drop of soy sauce or chili sauce, whatever homemade sauce that you have. You can add it to your stir fry. Today I've just mixed up a few different sauces with some mixed herbs. And then you toss everything into your stir fry. And that sauce just gives it a little sheen, a bit of a gloss. And that's basically it. If you want to add some toasted sesame seeds, you can do so. I'm just going to add a sprinkle of sesame seeds today. And you can serve it all by itself. Today I'm serving it with some spaghetti, some spinach and cauliflower spaghetti. Thank you for joining us once again in Perima's Kitchen. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena.